What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I want to talk about the Massive Affiliate Blueprint. It's a huge launch going on, and it's by James Neville-Taylor. He's an amazing marketer, and this launch, like I said, it's absolutely huge. And the other day I did a video and I reviewed it and I showed my bonuses for that system and that program. And I realized when I was looking back at the video, because I don't do these type of things very often, I completely forgot to mention something that can be a huge money-making opportunity for you. And it involves this, but it's a different way than you would expect. Okay, so in this video, I'm also going to show you a little bit inside of the system towards the end, as well as my bonuses. And if you want, you can check out my review page or go straight over to that page by clicking the links in the description below. To get over to my review page, you would just click right here, review page, and this is how you'd get over to the system on its own. But as you can see, there's a third link right here, and that's what I'm going to talk about first. Okay, so this is about joining the launch. And like I said, I forgot to mention this because I was just thinking, you know, most people on YouTube, a lot of them are beginners, which is perfectly fine. And that's what this program and my bonuses are literally made for. However, I know that's not everybody. And there are a ton of people on YouTube who actually do affiliate marketing and may want to actually get involved with the launch. And even if you don't have a huge email list or a huge audience on social media, you can still talk to a couple friends and introduce them to this program. Okay, so this is with what's called, again, affiliate marketing. And you could promote the launch by going to this third link again, and it would bring you over to this page right here. And this is what's called a JV page, which is joint venture. And this has all the information you need. It tells you the price point, the prizes, all that stuff. And this is also how you get your affiliate link. And if you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, all that means is you recommend any product, program, service, whatever. In this case, it's the Massive Affiliate Blueprint. So you tell your friend, hey, I got this awesome training and it has this amazing system inside. Check it out. Here's a link. Okay. If they watch that training and purchase, then you just get a commission. So that's affiliate marketing. That's what that means. And it's $997 and you can get almost $500 every sale. So that's insane. Okay, so even if you did want to purchase the system and you sell 2 of these, you pretty much paid for it that way. Now, before I show you how to get your affiliate link, I just want to go over a couple of these things quick. So the JV doc has a ton of information on there for you. You can contact him, you can read about him, you can check out the contests and the prizes right here. As you can see, the prizes are absolutely insane, like crazy. I've never seen anything like it. They show you the funnel, the promotion material, the product, all that stuff. Okay, but the important part is, again, getting your affiliate link so you can make money. Okay, you can sign up for updates here if you want, but right here, this is the important part. So you can either choose to promote it with JVZoo or with Super Checkout. Super Checkout pays more because JVZoo takes more of a cut. So I use Super Checkout. Okay, so that's what I suggest doing. You would just click right here. And then all you would do is you would scroll down and then you would hit I accept the terms and then request affiliation. And then you get approved. And then what happens is you'll be in a back office like this. You just click on links. You take this top link right here, okay? I suggest always shortening this link. So what you do is you copy it to clipboard and you go to something like bit.ly.com. And then what you do is you just paste the link in here, okay? So you paste it in there, you shorten it. Now this is your affiliate link and it's even longer than that. And then it turns into this little link right here. So you could send it to a couple of your friends, be like, hey, check out this free training. And at the time of making this video, recording this video, it is October 14th. This training goes live tomorrow, the 15th at, I think it's 11 a.m. Eastern time. So then that training goes live and there's no replays. And then they get introduced to the $997 product. And then if someone purchases, you make your commission, which is almost $500. Okay, so as you can see, this link, that's your affiliate link now. If you paste it right here, it's going to take you to this page right here. And this is where you can register. And then all you do is you click reserve my spot, enter name and email. Or if you're promoting it, you just tell your friend that's what they got to do. And then everything from there is self-explanatory. They get an email, they watch the training, and then they purchase the system for $997. You make close to $500. And that's how you would promote the launch and make money that way. Now, If you're a beginner, you have absolutely no audience, but you're interested in the system itself and the bonuses I'm giving you, then I'll show you a little bit of that now in case you missed my last video, okay? This is the back office of the Massive Affiliate Blueprint. Now, the main selling point out of all of this is the done-for-you system. That's absolutely insane. I haven't seen anything like it before, but there's a ton more than just that, and I'll get into that in a minute. But the done-for-you system, again, is the selling point. Check this out. So you just click Set Up Done-for-You System, and then it just shows you basically how you're getting a year's worth of emails, 12 PDFs, 12 capture pages, 12 thank you pages, a full affiliate marketing course, white labeled, and a sales page to sell the course, and much more. So you basically just got to say that you're not just going to give this to anyone, and you just got to click I agree, access my system. Now, it's really so simple. He set it up in videos right here. Step 1, you can either get the free plan or the premium plan of Builderall. I suggest getting the premium one. You can try it out for $1 for 30 days. If you don't like it, go to the free plan. Okay, he shows you how to set all that up. Now, it's as simple as downloading this system with one click. You just click there, and then it's as simple as signing up for some affiliate programs, and he already has all the programs, all the networks picked out for you. So you just sign up for all these, and then you grab your affiliate link, and you literally edit your details in this area. You add your affiliate link, you add your name, and then it already gets automatically updated in the PDFs, in the course, in the emails, everything automatically. It's insane. I didn't even know that was possible, legit. And then all you gotta do is start sending people through your system, and you're going to start making passive income. But if you don't already have an audience and you're not getting traffic, that's the most important part. You got to start getting traffic, and you got to start building an audience. And he has tons of training here teaching you how to get traffic, and that's all included in the Massive Affiliate Blueprint. But I also have my own program called the High Ticket YouTube Secrets program. Every single student paid $997 for it. Check this out. As you can see, High Ticket YouTube Secrets, $997. I have 15 students who have been with me. We started with no videos, and I created it through this entire process with each of them, who all paid full price. And I now have over 80 videos in there, 11 modules, almost the entire program's all finished. Pretty much every video you need to start a YouTube channel, get traffic, grow an audience, and make high ticket affiliate commissions. So not only will you have James's system with all those programs and your automated system making you passive income, but you'll have my #1 high ticket affiliate program, and you'll be able to get traffic and grow an audience all on autopilot with YouTube. So I truly believe combining these two together and everything else in the training, it's unlike anything I've ever seen before. And I truly believe it will not only help you, but it's just the best opportunity that you'll ever see, especially for 2020. I haven't seen a single launch as big as James's launch. I think the last biggest one was like the one with Tony Robbins, and that launch was like a year and a half ago. Okay, so this is literally huge. And if you want to be a part of it and promote it, I highly suggest it. If you want to just get started, you're brand new, then definitely register for that training. Click the first link in the description and go over there and register. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But make sure, if you purchase tomorrow, email me at thomas@thomasgaretz.com, and I'll send you instant access to my $997 course. So again, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. That's all I got. See you over there.